Watching Big Lou Barbecue and the things I want to do. And today I want to tell you about a special on the ThermoWorks Mark IV or MK4. I'm here at my mama's house near New Orleans. Yeah, I'm passed by my mama's house. And this is my mama's Mark IV. I don't have one, but hers is green. She keeps it in one of these silicone boots that protects it if you drop it. The little backlight sensor still works on it. I don't need to do a review, but you probably know these have a backlight on them. And the backlight comes on when it doesn't, when it thinks it's dark outside. Anyway, it's got a rotating display, fast as in 2 seconds, lots of reviews. These have been considered some of the best thermometers in the industry for the past 5-8 years, somewhere in that neighborhood, since the Mark IV came out from ThermoWorks. And this silicone boot, she has 2 magnets on it, so she keeps it right by her, stuck on the side of her refrigerator, right by her stove, so it's there where she needs it when she wants it. And the boot or jacket or whatever you call this thing protects it from dropping or whatever. Now, don't need to review this. You know these have been the best thermometers in the business for quite some time. On the ThermoWorks website, they've announced a closeout. $69. They were $99. That means you saved 30 bucks on them. $69. And whatever colors they got left. But as long as they're left, $69, you're saving 30 bucks on them. I'm gonna leave a link down below. I am a ThermoWorks affiliate, which means that if you buy through that link, you just hit the show more button in the description box, and there will be a link to ThermoWorks. And if you purchase through that link, Big Lou Barbecue Channel gets a little bit of it, but it doesn't cost you, the consumer, anything extra. It's the same price you'd pay anywhere, all right? But anyway, you can't get them lower than this. $69 right now. Now, like I did say, that is closeout, so take that for all that that means. But closeout price, $69.99 on ThermoWorks for the ThermoWorks Mark IV Thermapen, or Thermapen MK4 as some people call it. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.